Today I'm going to teach you how to create gradient buttons in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to add visual depth and modern styling to your website, making your call to action buttons stand out and look more professional. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to your browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so we can get straight into the customization process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is where all your websites are listed if you manage multiple sites. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to create these gradient buttons and simply click on it. This will open up that particular site's editing interface. Now focus your attention on the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there, and what we're looking for is the website section. Go ahead and click on Website. Once you do that, you'll notice additional options appear underneath it. From these options, click on Pages. This section allows you to manage the structure and content of your site, but we're going to dive a bit deeper into the customization settings. Keep your focus on that left side menu. Once again, this time look for an option labeled Custom Code and click on it. Under the Custom Code section, you'll see Custom CSS. Click on that to open the CSS editor. This is where the magic happens, as custom CSS allows you to override default styles and create unique designs like gradient buttons. Now here's where things get interesting. I've already prepared the CSS code for you, so feel free to pause the video right now to copy it. This code will define the gradient effect for your buttons. You can also customize this code to match your brand's color scheme. Simply edit the ID and color values within the CSS to fit your specific design needs. Whether you want a bold gradient or something more subtle, adjusting these values will give you complete control over the final look. Once you've copied and customized the code to your liking, go ahead and paste it into the custom CSS field. Make sure everything looks correct and that there are no syntax errors. After pasting, click the Save button to apply your changes. Squarespace will process these updates, so give it a moment to save properly. And that's it. You've successfully created gradient buttons in Squarespace using custom CSS. Your buttons should now display beautiful gradient effects that enhance your site's overall aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.